Hello class! Today we are making a classic and really popular Taiwanese snack often found in night markets and street vendors in Taiwan called oyster omelette or oyster pancake. In Taiwanese it is called A-choy. I'll be showing you how to make the oyster omelette as well as the delicious sauce that goes with it. Here are the ingredients. In a pot, you can combine 1 tablespoon of miso paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce paste, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a pinch of white pepper, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Last, add a 1/4 cup of water and set the pot aside. Now we're going to make our cornstarch slurry. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix evenly. Bring the pot to the stove and turn on medium heat. Stir and mix the ingredients evenly. Make sure to break down the miso paste so that it's dissolved into the liquid. Once your sauce comes to a boil, you can grab your slurry and put them in and stir constantly. Continue stirring until the sauce is reduced and thickened. Once the sauce is thickened, you can remove it from the heat and set aside. I am putting the sauce into a squeeze bottle because it is easier to dispense and store for later use. Just make sure that your sauce has been cooled before putting in a plastic bottle. Now we're going to make the batter. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of sweet potato starch and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Add a half cup of water and mix evenly with a whisk. In a pan, heat up about 5 tablespoons of oil on high heat. Now add the oysters, but just be careful because the oil will pop like crazy. Now pour the batter in and spread it evenly around the pan. Crack an egg into the pan and just scramble it roughly with a spatula. Now add the Taiwanese lettuce on top and distribute it around to cover the pancake. Here I am loosening the edges of the pancake with a spatula to make it easier to flip and also to check the browning and crispiness. Once you see that the bottom side is golden brown and crispy, it is ready to be flipped. Now time to flip the omelet. Don't even worry about trying to make it perfect or pretty. This is literally how they look like at the night markets in Taiwan, a blob of delicious goodness. I like my pancake extra crispy, so I'm cooking it a little bit longer, but you can take it out once the edges are crispy and golden brown. Put the oyster omelette onto a plate. Grab the squeeze bottle of the sauce we made earlier and put a generous amount over the omelette pancake. I hope you make this recipe at home successfully and enjoy a taste of Taiwan. If you like this video, please make sure you thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel.